Yeah, and then we gotta make that corner. So Ilvin, this call came in this morning or yesterday? What do we got going on?
This morning they called me to asking for a rotator because the low was cheating. I think he was reversed and he was not looking good. Half of the trailer's in the ditch.
Where do you think we are right now? Are we still in Orlando?
No, it's Springville.
Kendallville?
I know, so that's the right one.
Now we gotta try and find where Omari is.
No, this is gonna be in a row. Well, he want me to make a right.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's.
Huh?
Oh, is that him over there? Oh, we were supposed to make a Can you go back? I see it. We're supposed to make. We were supposed to go back and be on that side. You see where that road is right there? We need to take that one from what the GPS is saying.
How's the fuck gonna get there? But we're gonna get stuck, bro.
Right coming up here soon. And he should be down there.
Sure?
That's what it's saying. There he is. Kind of shocked Omari was able to make it through this.
The trailer look fucked up, huh?
Yeah, it does. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're here. Tight squeeze, I mean, but he's got skills, so.
People coming from here and get too close. That's what happened. Let me do this thing I gotta do.
See a smudge on the lens. Whoa! Oh man! How you doing, Paul? You all right?
Yeah.
Paul, we had to go the other way. We're trying to figure out how you got in here.
I can't do this.
Oh, it took us the other way around. Ilvin's like, yo, mira, you sure we go the right way?
Y'all came this way?
Yeah. Ilvin's like, yo, how did he do it? Uh-huh. Man, this is gonna be interesting. On top of that, it almost looks like he's kind of stuck too. This one's gonna be fun.
This is gonna be great.
So where are we at so far, Mari?
Well, a semi was coming around this corner, failed to negotiate the ditch, started sliding. We went down in the ditch, and now we just gotta recover it.
Now you think it's gonna be a one-man job, or?
So it's gonna be a one-man job. We really could use two, but I'm the guy, so it's me.
So far as the setup goes, I see you have your outriggers.
I have my outriggers, and if you notice from other YouTube channels, other YouTube episodes, I have my support system and my pads down because the ground is very soft.
Yeah, we're talking sugar sand here, 100%. So as far as a plan of execution, what are you thinking?
I'm gonna wrap the trailer underneath with two lines, and we're gonna lift it up, level it out, and then rotate it back onto the road.
Now, if I remember properly from the last time that we had to pull that Class C semi, I think it was a Peterbilt, we had to pull that out. You were able to tell the weight of how much we were pulling out. What do you think the weight on this one's gonna be? You think we're gonna have a problem with that?
This one's probably gonna be about 30K. We're gonna be lifting the back of the trailer, so most of the weight is gonna be in the middle. So we're kind of lifting a lot of weight, but that's why I got kind of close to the casualty, and we're gonna just rotate it onto the road after I hook it up and chain it up.
Okay, all right. So he's basically got all his stuff set up to begin the job. Now, the hardest part about this seems like it's gonna be the sugar sand. Getting it out of the sugar sand. The truck should be able to handle the weight. Outriggers are out, and this time he's got his support boards and the support plastics from last time. But we didn't have the wooden boards, so I believe that the outriggers started to sink the second time, but we were able to get the load out.
¿Cómo te pasó eso?
Mañana madrugada ahí, ya mañana.
Oh,
Como allá, pegué el camión allá y sentí que se me hundió, me enderecé un poquito. Pero las llantas pasaron por la orilla
ya se paró.
y ahí se me hundió. Y yo, por no quedarme pegado, le metí. Se me resbaló todo el día.
¿Cómo que no te viró?
He said he has a plan to get it out. You think one truck's gonna be enough for this one?
Yeah.
We're dealing with sugar sand too, so.
Yeah, but no matter because he lift it up and move it that way and that's it.
Now,
You gotta get it from the bottom.
Didn't like that contact point?
Nah, this is gonna split the trailer. It's aluminum trailer. It's not the strongest. So I didn't like it.
Sugar sand here is what's making the biggest problem. That combined with the weight, and on top of that, it's an aluminum trailer. So we had to reposition the points because he didn't feel comfortable pulling it from the trailer itself. So it looks like he found a part on the trailer that's definitely stronger and a better point of contact. Exactly, right? I'm sorry. I knew better than that too. I shouldn't have did that. I knew better than that. Can't get around the other side. I should just walked around. So he stopped moving so I can get past. Omari, some people in your live are saying that the chains look a little small for the load.
Nah, they're half-inch chain.
Half inch? How much was it?
33.
33,000 pounds?
Yeah, that's good. Half an inch is good. Half in there, my man. It was small, the chain we broke a long time ago. Go, baby.
Pretty lightweight, pretty easy recovery, not too bad. Now I'm just wondering how he's gonna actually make it out of here in that grass. Because if you look in between the wheels, you can see it's kind of just from the sheer weight alone and going through it, it's like it already pulling down.
Hey, you want me to tip the trailer that way so it straightens out? I stopped the time. I stopped the time for waiting for you. 30 minutes. So from 10 o'clock to 10:30, we're not going to charge.
2 hours. 2.5, man.
2.5. Yeah.
You gotta call. I'll call the guy.
Charge for 2.5.
All right, so we got the trailer out. And I was looking at this sand. Omari, is he gonna be able to get through this?
Yeah, he's going to get through it. He might. If not, I'm here to winch him out, and that's another bill.
So what's the next steps from here then?
Huh?
What's the next steps from here?
Put the truck away. Go get breakfast, some coffee. I don't even drink coffee, but get some food.
So what happens with the rest of this now? Now he's basically complete?
Now he's probably gonna go over there to a forklift or something and get them to straighten out this load. Because if he goes around that corner, if he goes to make a right corner, this is gonna shift left and he might roll over. So good thing it's all lefts out of here.
Okay.
So,
All right.
thousands and thousands of acres as far as you can see is just sod, grass, and fields. It's pretty cool. Very, very calming. Nobody will hear you scream out here. We do a lot of different stuff for people of St. Cloud and Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee. Anything you guys need moved, call us 407-558-1455.
And that's gonna be it, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as it helps us create more content. We will see you guys on the next episode.